Hello, family. Welcome to Little Breaks. Please, if today is your first time watching our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that we all go together for more exciting, tricky questions. Okay? Thank you for doing that. So with this, we have root 5 into bracket exponent s plus 1 is equal to 125. Okay? Okay? Now, 125, we can express it as 5 exponent 3 is equal to 125, okay? And also, this here, root 5 is the same as root 5 into bracket squared. Okay, so we are going to implement this here. Now we are having root 5 into bracket exponent x plus 1, which is equal to, now we write the 5, which was root 5 into bracket exponent 2. Okay, and don't forget it was 125, so into bracket exponent 3. Okay, so now we are having root 5 into bracket x plus 1, which is equal to, now this and this, so it's the same as root 5 into bracket 6. Okay, with 5 into bracket 6. Now we are having the same bases. Okay, the bases are the same. In algebra, when the bases are the same, we can equate the exponent. So now we are having x plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, now we are having x is equal to 6 minus 1. So our x is equal to 5. Okay, x is equal to 5. Now let's check to see if indeed our x is equal to 5. So let's check. Where the expression was root 5 into bracket x plus 1 is equal to 125. Okay, so in this case, our x is 5. So we have root 5 into bracket 5 plus 1, which is equal to 125. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have root 5 exponent 6 is equal to 125. Possible. So this we can express this as, okay, so we are testing, so it should be equal to 125. Okay, so we can say that root 5, this is, it can be 2 multiplied by 3, which should be equal to 125. So now you can say that this, answer this, so we are having 5 exponent 3, and this should be equal to 125. Okay, 5 exponent 3 is the same as 125, and it's equal to 125. So it means that our answer, which was x is equal to 5, is indeed correct, which satisfies the equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we all grow together and enjoy more exciting, tricky questions. Thank you. Bye.